Hmm. Friends, we are now going to start our first class 12 chapter, that is electrostatics. Here. What do you mean by electrostatics? The word electrostatics. The word electro deals with the charges, and static means at rest. Means we will deal with electric charges at rest or static charges. In our previous concept of electricity, we came to know that like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. Suppose positive charges and this is positive charges, they will repel each other, and negative, if a negative charge and this is positive charge, they will attract each other. This was the simple characteristic features of charges. Now in this class 12, the first thing in our ncert is how to know either a body is positively charged or negatively charged. There is an instrument known as electroscope which is used to determine either the body is positively charged or negatively charged. So let us describe what is electroscope. Electroscope is an instrument a in which there is a glass beaker or glass bottle where which is closely packed, and from where there is a rod which connecting outside and inside, and there is a gold leaf at an gold leaf, like in a virgin type, the gold leaf. And the way we can determine the charge is either positive or negative. This consists of a metal rod hosed in a box. This is a box hosed in a box with two thin gold leaves attached into its bottom. When a charged object, either this is positive, negatively charged. Let me consider this object is negatively charged. Charged content is charged to this surface, and if this rod is positively charged, this gold leaf is also positively charged. The gold leaf will so some degree of divergence will be like this. If this is the normal state, if the negative charged body is charged, this will be expand, this body will be expand. So by this way we can determine a body is either positively charged or negatively charged. uh, this rod we have to know before we have to know before knowing the either a body is positively charged or negatively charged, we have to know the charges in this rod. It is, if it is positive, then it will repel when here we will touch any negative charges object. If it is negative, if we charge if we will touch here any positive charge object, it will repel. But if the both charges of the object and the electroscope will same, it will not repel. This is the characteristics define by which we can define the charge of an object. Now our second topic is Coulomb's law. What is Coulomb's law? Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law is a quantitative statement about the force between two charge points. Suppose this is a point charge Q1 and Q2. Two charges are kept at a distance r. At a distance r. Two charges are kept at a distance from each other r. The forces acting between them is known as, you can say in easy words, that is Coulomb's law. When the linear size charges body are much smaller then the distance separating them it may ignore, and the charged body are treated as point charges. This can be treated as point charges. So how we can determine the force acting between them? Friends, you look that this is same as gravitation chapter which you have learned in class 11. So force acting between the two charges are directly proportional to them, Q1 and Q2, and force is directly proportional to the to 1 by r square, 1 by r square. So we can easily write that F is equals to some constant into Q1 into Q2, two charges, by r square. Okay, here K is K in SI unit. SI unit in SI unit the value of K is equals to 1, but sorry, this is wrong. In case of CGS, in case of centimeter gram system, the value of K is equals to 1, but in case of SI unit the value of K is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So you are thinking, what is epsilon naught? Epsilon naught you can determine, you can write epsilon naught as permittivity of free space or vacuum. So the value of epsilon naught is equals to 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 centimeter square Newton inverse meter square inverse. Okay, this is the value of epsilon naught. So we can write the force between them in SI system. If we replace this K in SI system, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught whole Q1 Q2 by R square. Okay, so we can write Q1 Q2 4 pi epsilon naught R square. This is Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. It is proved.